Hey guys, Isaac Martin here with Caremore Lawn Maintenance. Today I'm going to be installing the Edgit wheel on my Echo 2620T trimmer. Got these online from Edgit, and they're really good guide for learners, and just if you want to keep your edges looking neat and perfect every week. To get started, you will need at least a Phillips head screwdriver, and the trimmer tool works good that comes with your trimmer. First, you need to take the head off. To do that, you need to install a screwdriver into the slotted holes on the side, and it is reverse threaded. Spin it off. Then it's as easy as putting it on and lining up the holes, and then putting the bolts in. Once the 3 screws are in and tight, you can put your head back on. Remember guys, it's reverse thread. Now these are the speed feed heads, but I think they're all pretty standard installation. So yeah, that easy right there. And reinsert your screwdriver to tighten the head back up. You do want to pull your string out and make sure that this isn't going to be too, you don't want a big gap here, or your edges are going to be really wide. And there is ways to adjust that. Here I'm not sure if I have to adjust it yet or not. We will have to try it out. It's that easy. Let's go do a demonstration. So yeah, right there. There it is. Close, doesn't it? Go give it a shot. So you can simply turn your trimmer on edge and set it down at the edge of your concrete. So there you have it. This patio has never been edged before, and you can see how well it works. And if you guys are wondering, you can still trim along fences and around trees, and it works fine. Let's show you. It still keeps the grass and rock from flying as much. It's a great alternative, in my opinion, to no shield, because I don't like those shields that come on them and cut your string at a certain length. I do not like that. I like to be able to run my string long. So I feel like it's a great alternative to have somewhat of a shield to slow the grass down from flying so far, but it also allows you to run your string as long as you want. Hey guys, I hope you're loving the content. Thanks to all those who have subscribed. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. See you next time. This will force my new guys to run long string. That makes me happy. Because when you're training you guys and they won't run long string and then they're gouging
It's
all the
hard,
time.
yeah.